What's up, y'all? Welcome to my crib. Welcome to the Bliss Pool Villa at the Banyan Mayakoba. Here we are in our beautiful foyer, 3,400 square feet here. We have our nice luxury pool sitting here, a private luxury pool in our villa, heated to just a perfect temperature of 84 degrees. If I need it hotter, I need it cooler, I can hook it up just like that. We cruise over here, a nice little day bed with some beautiful pillars, Roman decor, there's vibes over here. Kick back, relax, enjoy the pool view, enjoy the view of the villa. Very comfortable space over here, just to be nice, just to relax during a nice day. Power on this way. Another day bed. This one's more for like sun lounging, so if you want to drop the top, get some sunlight, you can do so. You also have a little ashtray over here in case you got a nice stogie and you burning it down. You can go ahead and smoke your cigar, drink your yak over here while you admire your pool and your beautiful lagoon view. You cruise down here. You can see a nice little view of the lagoon. We have some big spiders and all types of wildlife, birds, raccoons, squirrels, snakes, anything you can think of. This is a nice little table to enjoy lunch outside. Enjoy the weather. Tropical climate over here is very beautiful. Take you guys back inside, but just look at the detail on this stone, the marbling inside that. It's beautiful. The pool wraps around, as you can see, in the villa. I mean, I could jump in right now and show you guys. I'll do that later. But you know, you have a good amount of space. You can enter from that side, which is a little bit shallower. Same thing over here. Or you can just, right from the room, take a dive in. Let's check out the inside. But beautiful outdoor space. Kind of hard not to want to enjoy everything out here all the time. But as you can see, everything's extremely well manicured, from the shrubs to your palm trees, the grass. Come to the villa entrance here. Big door, very large entrance. Some nice decor, tapestry when you enter here. Here to the right, we have the main living quarters, where we have a nice little bar set up with all types of espresso, water, fresh fruit, tea. And then you have all your other little knick-knack incidentals here. You have all types of drink back there, all your snacks that you need. Over here, we got your fridge, again, with all the things that you might need during your stay. You need a beer, you need a cold one. Got some nice peach and mango drinks in there as well. Looking this way, we have a nice little sitting area, couch, just to kick back, relax. Again, beautiful decor here, nice mirror. This place has a lot of mirrors in here, so you can get, let's see how it looks. Okay. Still look good. Behind you is the TV. Not really worried about the TV on this trip. But again, another nice little lounge chair here. You just lounge around. Just kick back, view the pool from here. Just get your read on, kick back, relax. We have another entrance to the pool. I open these doors out here. Nice sliding doors, they open all the way. You come out here, just dive right into the pool. And enjoy that. So we're getting a little bit of little drizzles. This amazing headboard here. This is probably the biggest headboard I've ever seen in my life. It's massive. It just brings a lot of depth to the room. It makes your king size bed look very small. This is a king size bed. I'm not going to jump on it in my outside clothes, but as you can see, it's nice. It looks very comfortable. I'll let you know more about that later. Another just little sitting area here where you can overlook the pool, do any type of work you need to do. They give you some nice incense to set the mood, set the vibe, as well as a diffuser. And hook that up. Another exit or entrance, if you will, to the other side. So the pool wraps all the way around here. So you got a few steps you can take out to the pool, a little shower area, even a little sitting area if you see it over there, where you can just kind of just sit there in the pool, enjoy it. You also have here just a lovely hammock where you can just kick back here, relax, enjoy the tropical vibes. I'm still getting my hammock legs down, guys, so bear with me, but very comfortable. Straight peaceful, why it's quiet out here. Keep the vibes warm, but you hear all types of wildlife out here, birds, things like that. See? But you can see the lagoon over here. If you look up, again, just the architecture of this place is just amazing. With the pillars, really just makes it feel very large here. It makes it feel like you have your own space. Very secluded, it's wonderful. Coming back inside, got the Bose stereo over there. So, you know, I can get reckless and get loud over here when the time is right. When I get a couple of drinks. Take you guys back to the bathroom. This might be, you know, usually the bathroom is the best part, but everything is so great. But this bathroom is just amazing. If you look at these sinks, really deep sinks with that nice custom painting on them, ceramic sinks, very elegant touch. You have two of them over here. All types of essentials you have here. You have different bath salts and bath oil if you want to hook your own bath up. And since we're talking about the bath, I mean, damn, look at it. Your own private outdoor bath, deep soaking tub. I mean, like, you go swimming in this G thing, you might drown, but look how it just flows out of there. Beautiful tub, very, very nice. Candles here, little lights as well. Just kind of set the mood here. Just a beautiful vibe. Love this pool, I can't wait. I mean, it's damn near full, but this bathtub, we're gonna take a nice bath tonight, so you guys can see that later. But they have all types of stuff on the bath menu, from, you know, a mud bath if you want to do a mud bath. They have relaxing baths with oils and roses, honey milk bath. That sounded lit. I think the ones we're going to be doing is, I forget, but there's two that we're doing. We're excited. We might do the mud bath. The mud bath sounds lit. But back inside, looping around here. If you care how much you weigh on vacation, I give you a scale. I don't care. But again, nice another sink over here, complimentary water, real vegetation in here, just adds a nice touch. Open this up, and we have a nice rainfall shower. Take this off, do my thing. We can both be in here and have a nice vibe shower together. Beautiful tile backsplash, contrasting with the black and the pearly gray here. Again, I haven't got a chance to test these out. I'm looking forward to it, but I've heard good things, and they're available for purchase in the store, so it must be pretty decent. All types of soap, everything you need in here. So beautiful, beautiful shower, which looks gonna be nice as well. We'll get in that pretty soon. Cruising over this way, you got your toilet. So nice, secluded. You don't have to smell my dump in the morning. We can, you know, keep that smell in here. Everybody's gonna appreciate that at the resort. And then we go into our walk-in closet. In the walk-in closet, they give you towels, nice little bag if you're going to the beach or something like that. You got in here laundry bags. You have ponchos in case it's raining out of nowhere, as well as young umbrellas, two of these joints in case it starts raining out of nowhere. You have your ironing board. That's a must-have for me. Let's see the iron. I didn't even see what kind of iron. This is also a big thing for me. The quality of your iron. Say no more. Got both steam options. I got options here. I can get loose with that. No wrinkles on your boy. Other little knick-knack incidentals you might need. There's a lot of bugs out here. It's a tropical environment, so you have bug spray. You have a flashlight in case you want to take a night walk. Some very nice luxurious robes, his and her options. I'll come over here, we can see all of our different shoe options. So we have some flip-flops for outside. Inside we have our nice little house slippers there, so that's gonna be nice. And then we also have a nice little vanity mirror. I'm sure all you ladies really care about that, and that's a must-have. It lights up as well. Extra pillows if you need extra pillows in here. So just everything you need. Good lighting in here. Throw your dirty laundry in the hamper. They'll wash it for you. Bring it back, fold it, and launder it. I don't know if that's true, but I just do that, man. Hopefully. I don't know. Yeah, and so that's the deal. Amazing, amazing space. 3,400 square feet. You got everything from your private bathtub to your magnificent outdoor space with your private luxury pool. Amazing king bed, as we saw, with the just headboard that you've never seen in your life. That's the most amazing headboard. Beautiful decor throughout. It's a combination of nice Thai elements mixed with, you know, classic Mexican vibes as well. Nice tile floor. The temperature is wonderful. You can dictate that whether you want your pool heated at 84 degrees. Standard temperature in the room is about 72, 73. It feels really cool in here. Everything you need. I mean, I have no complaints. As soon as we got here, when we pulled up, they were just wonderful and very gracious hosts. Sat us down at a table together, and he served us their traditional green juice and a traditional Mexican candy, and kind of gave us the lay of the land as we, you know, did our check-in process. It was the one best check-in process I've ever experienced in my life. I wasn't standing at any desk, anything like that. They let me sit down, give me a drink, all that good stuff. They have a nice bar, pointed out all the different restaurants in here. Took us a golf cart to our villa, and they brought our luggage in. She walked us around the villa, showed us everything. So, I mean, I'm super excited. I think this is just a great choice, and you know, it wasn't an easy choice. We were looking at lots and lots of different resorts, and obviously this one stood out for good reason. And I think, you know, obviously we got a good taste. So that's the tour vlog ski, and we're gonna you know, show you more. We're gonna show you the baths. We're gonna show you the pool. We're gonna show you the meals. We're gonna show you when we go out. And I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog, because we're really gonna enjoy this vacation. Peace.